it's Kilobyte here. And you got yourself HyperX headset. You decided to swap the Earpads to whatever, and then you realized, wait, this is really hard to get on. Yeah, that's what I did. Thought it'd be simple. It's not. There is a trick. Let me show you the trick. So getting them off, that's easy. In fact, getting this one back on is probably fairly easy because this is pretty small and fairly firm. This is not. It's just like a vinyl. That's where the issue was. So how do you do it? You got to start it. Like I said, it wasn't easy. Get the vinyl started into the crease. And you have to keep it there. All right, so far, so good. But here's the trick. Stick your fingers in here and push enough. Be sure to hold the rest so that the vinyl can go into that crease. And you're gonna have, like I said, it's not easy. But what you've got to get the end of the vinyl in to the crease first. And that means I found that using your finger inside there to pull it, and I hope you can see this. And then let it come in. But that's the key. That's the trick that I found that was the only way I could get it to work there. Now, if you may think, okay, that looked difficult. Well, it wasn't easy, but let me tell you, after spending several minutes trying to figure out how to do it, that's how you do it. And as you can see, they're on. Just use that finger, and you got to push on that inside, pull it out. Hope that was helpful. If so, please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.